7-year-old GPU, but can it run games in 2024? Let's find out. Let's start with the specs, and compare it to GTX 1660 Super. The cores is more in the RX, the VRAM also is more in the RX. But in the memory, the GTX 1660 Super take the crown with GDDR6 compared to GDDR5 in the RX580. And for the bus width, the RX580 take the crown this time, with 256-bit compared to 192 in the GTX 1660 Super. Let's go to some gaming benchmarks. In Counter-Strike to 90 FPS average, in BUP Season 26 around 50 FPS, in Fortnite average 45, in Warzone 3 around 70 FPS in lowest settings. After the benchmarks we have a question. Is 8 GB RAM enough? It enough in 108OP low requirements or medium requirements games, but for AAA games we didn't expect anything from this GPU. The summary. Should I buy it? If I find it used around $60, and I'll buy it, because I'll play only in 108OP in light or medium games. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.